CURE is an acronym for Course-Based Undergraduate Research Experience. It is the gold standard these days for higher education STEM education, and at Emmanuel, it's part of our core curriculum.
The CURE program is a series of 2 courses that students will take in the biology program. The first course is a first-year research experience for students where they are studying the cure for TB. And then the second experience that they have is usually as a sophomore or junior. And in this experience, they're taking some of the skills that they've learned and applying it to a completely different problem, doing real research, original research with faculty members, and doing so as a team of researchers.
The bench time you get here at Emmanuel through the CURE program is truly unique.
The CURE program is an incredible opportunity to really dive into research head first, and is a great opportunity to see if it's something you enjoy. And that helped me in understanding my place in research, or that I actually had a place in research. It's one of the best ways to have one of the most realistic research experiences where you can take away skills that they actually use in the real world.
Oftentimes we think of research as being a specialist field that you have to have many, many years of education to do it. But in fact, students here are able to do it in their first year because we build the lab around authentic questions that they can actually carry out. These are real questions that students are learning with us, and they often revolve around issues with public health, disease, and we're trying to find solutions to these problems involving the students in the front lines.
It creates this really satisfying sense that you can make a difference and you can make an impact. Even as a first-year student, you can do something that could help someone down the line in a place you've never been. And I think it helps them understand that global reach of science and also really feel that belonging, that they can be competent at this. They already are competent at it, and that they can continue in this journey if it excites them.
I truly love research. I have found my little niche in the world. I mean, if I didn't have this experience and had no wet lab experience, I wouldn't have been a researcher because I wouldn't have realized I liked it so much.
We want to make sure that every student gets exposed to this, because whether they decide to go into research or they don't decide to go into research, these are skills that they're going to take with them into their future careers.
The CURE lab I see as really a stepping stone or an accelerant to their passion and to their interest in science. Once they get a taste of that discovery process, I find that they really take advantage of more things. They break out of their shell a bit, they can become more confident, and they're more willing to apply for internships, for research positions. They are able to recognize their contribution in those areas and see themselves contributing to those areas.
Going through the CURE program, being an intern for the CURE lab, going on to some other research opportunities have helped me grow as a student and as a scientist, just in confidence and excitement for it. Getting involved with it early on gave me the opportunity to build skills so that I could go further into other internship or job opportunities and kind of pursue my other interests in research.
I think it changes your confidence tremendously. Having this research experience, especially CURE and my own research, when I'm applying for grad schools and going through the application process, I know I can defend myself and be I am a good problem solver because I've dealt with so many different issues in lab.
We find that the research lab is an amazing place for us to build community.
It's through the collaborative experience of being in a lab setting with other people that when you come together with others, you can help bring the solution together. And I think that's the most amazing part about science, is it's so collaborative, which I really enjoy.
I think it's important to Emmanuel that CURE exists, especially with the STEM majors, because it gives us a sense of a community. And it's just amazing because at the end of the semester, as a collective, we all did something to help the world.
What's special about Emmanuel ultimately is that relationship of faculty with students in this teaching environment.
The faculty here are some of the most incredible mentors. They care so much about you as a person and a student that they're able to help cultivate just an incredible relationship with you that I think will definitely go beyond your time here at Emmanuel, which is one of the things I'm looking forward to. The mentorship here is really unmatched and is something I did not expect.
I definitely think the one-on-one experience is truly groundbreaking. I've built such a nice little community here in the bios field where I know my professors by name, they know me. Truly, you just won't get this anywhere else.
You don't know what you're going to want to do in the future, and no matter what you pick, you will definitely feel the benefits of being able to think critically like a researcher, of collecting data, of mastering instruments of different kinds, of analyzing your data, of talking about your own work that you've collected with a community, and of experiencing what it feels like to try to tackle a really difficult problem, not alone, but together in a group of people, including faculty. And while that sounds daunting, you're gonna have all the support you need here, because that's what we do. We lead students from one step to the next, and before they know it, they're the expert in the room. And that's what's beautiful to be able to see here.